Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a simple yet powerful DIY avocado hair mask recipe. So right here I have my ingredients: one ripe avocado, a lemon, and also I have a coconut oil, and these are the ingredients that we need. So avocados are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and healthy fats that can really nourish your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and hydrated. So I've already cut my avocado into two parts. Yeah, as you can see, it's ripe and it has a nice color. So there are essential nutrients that avocado is rich in, including vitamin A, D, E, and B complex, as well as proteins and minerals like magnesium. So after slicing the avocado into two halves, use the knife carefully, starting at the top. Gently peel away the skin using your fingers, pulling it back in sections. If the avocado is ripe, the skin should come off easily. So I'm done peeling the avocado and I'm going to cut it into smaller chunks, and this is going to make it easier to mash smoothly and softly. So I'm not going to transfer these smaller chunks into a bowl, but I'm just going to use this plate to mash them. So I'll be using a fork to mash, or if you have a masher, you can use it. An avocado hair mask offers numerous benefits for hair health due to its rich nutrient profile. The natural oils in avocado deeply hydrate dry and damaged hair, making it smoother and shinier. Its high content of biotin and other vitamins promotes hair growth and strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends. Avocado also helps in detangling, making hair more manageable, and can soothe the scalp, reducing dandruff and irritation. So guys, you should continue mashing your avocado until its consistency is smooth and also it is lump free. So the next ingredient that I'm going to add in is lemon juice. And lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps in collagen production, promoting hair growth and strengthening hair. Its acidic nature helps to balance the pH, controlling excess oils and reducing dandruff. Also, lemon juice adds shine to your hair. So add a tablespoon of coconut oil, and coconut oil helps in moisturizing and strengthening hair. So make sure to mix the coconut oil and mashed avocado well. Now that my hair mask is smooth and lump free, let me talk about the importance of combining the three powerful ingredients together: avocado, lemon juice, and coconut oil. So avocado contains so many nutrients that deeply moisturizes and repair the hair, and also promoting shine and strength. Lemon juice enhances the mask's cleansing properties, reducing dandruff and also promoting hair growth by boosting collagen. And for coconut oil, complements both by providing intense hydration. Yeah guys, that's how we prepare the hair mask. So now I just want to start applying the mask. And when applying avocado hair mask, it is best to start from the roots and work your way down to the tips. So starting from the roots, it ensures that the scalp, that's where the hair growth begins, receives the nutrients first. Scalp benefits from the mask's moisturizing and promoting a healthy environment for hair growth and helping to balance the oil production. So as you move down the mid-lengths and the ends, which are often the driest and most prone to damage, the mask deeply nourishes and repairs any split ends or breakage. Applying the mask evenly from the roots to the tips ensures that the entire hair strand is strengthened, moisturized, and revitalized for maximum benefit. Wow, so guys, this is my favorite one, and I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag, and I'm going to leave it for 1 to 2 hours. That's according to your preference. And then I'm going to wash it out. So in order to enhance the mask effectiveness, you can use a towel to cover the plastic bag to ensure the mask is fully absorbed. So our next step is rinsing the mask out, and I'm going to rinse the mask out using lukewarm water to thoroughly wet my hair. This helps to loosen the mask, making it easier to wash out. So the reason as to why I'm rinsing the hair mask out first before I start shampooing my hair, it ensures that all remnants of the mask is removed or washed away. So every time you're washing your hair, make sure to use lukewarm water and avoid using hot water because it can strip your hair natural oils and also cause dryness to the scalp. So guys, that is a precaution. So after the initial rinsing of the avocado hair mask, the first shampoo is crucial for thoroughly cleansing your hair. Squeeze a small amount of sulfate-free shampoo into your hands and apply it directly to your scalp. And gently massage the shampoo into your scalp and hair. Focus on the areas where the mask might be most concentrated. Use your fingertips to create a lather. So after applying the first shampoo, rinse it out thoroughly using lukewarm water and make sure to rinse it thoroughly until all the shampoo is washed away and your hair is no longer greasy or feels slippery. Proper rinsing helps to prevent buildups. For the second shampoo, apply a small amount of mild shampoo to your wet hair. Massage the shampoo into your scalp to ensure that any remaining mask is removed. This ensures even distribution of the shampoo. So rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. This ensures that all the shampoo and any residual mask is removed. or washed away. The second shampoo helps in cleansing and remove any leftover remnants, leaving your hair clean and also refreshed. So this is the final rinse. Rinse your hair until the water is clear. And guys, it was so nice having you today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. See you on my next video.